Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Craft Ease. This was part of my, I guess, birthday present to myself. I decided to buy some diamond paintings from, I guess, not budget-friendly stores. Because, you know, sometimes you just need that little extra in, I don't know. I tend to, okay, so it does look like it got squished. Do you see this? So, okay, so something is taped to the end there. Okay, it got squished. So the little fragile symbol doesn't do anything, and it's also taped at the end here. Okay, something is sticky. Okay, let's move that aside. So, let's say, pour this one. Can I tell which one's which? No? I can't tell which one's which. Okay, so my original plan was just to buy one diamond painting. Let's open the squished one first, just because the poor box. So yeah, fragile stickers do not work. But at least it came in a box, and I'm guessing this is in poured glue, because I feel like I've seen other people unbox and it was poured glue. So yeah. It's in the box there. So this is actually the one that I ordered first. So okay, so Craft Ease, when I first ordered, I only wanted to buy one. I was only originally planning to buy one, but after I made the first order, they sent an email and was like, here's a $10 off coupon for your next order, but you have to make it in 24 hours. So little bit like, it's one of those like where you feel compelled to buy something because $10 off seems like a lot. So that, yeah, the second one is my $10 off diamond painting. Okay, so it does look like the toolkit comes with 2 pens and with the 3-placer, and that's a 5 or 6-placer, metal tweezers, 2 grippies, wax, and a small white boat. So, and these are round drills. So let's see what I got here. So I got this diamond painting here. Is the whole thing on screen? Yeah, the whole thing's on screen. So where's mine? So this is, does it tell me? It just says painting tree. Okay, so I do have it on, oh, there's something there. I do have it on my computer. This is Evening Stars by Karla, Gerard. So Craft Ease does license their artwork. So if that's important to you, they are another source of licensed artwork. Just the canvas did pretty much lay flat once I rolled it the other way, so, which I like. It's not like a fancy one where, you know, where it feels soft in the back, but yeah, so let's see. Here is the legend. There are 24 colors. Looks like all the symbols are letters, which I do like that. And they do have 2 special drills here. I think that's what these 2 are. And I think their special drills are rhinestones. So yeah, I just really like this image. I like the colors. This is kind of like one of my type of images to do. Let's look at the drill field. Is it gonna focus? I think it looks clear enough. It's not the clearest, like that J is a little faded. I don't know if you could tell, but I could tell it's a J. Yeah, I don't see anything that would be an issue. Like, everything looks different enough that I don't think I need to take out my light pad for this or anything. So yeah, I just thought this was a really pretty image. So this image, okay, so I paid $33.39 for this. That was including $3 for shipping, and then I used a 20% off coupon. There's 20% off coupons. Like, I got a 20% off coupon when I just signed up my email or something, or I had stuff in my cart before and I just never bought it, and then they sent me a 20% off coupon. But I think there's, yeah, and then there's some people who have 20% affiliate links, so you could check them out that way. Okay, that's kind of weird, like is this the D? Yeah, no. They're just weird that there's this M there. I'm not sure what the M stands for. I thought that was the symbol, but they all say M. So yeah, this has the canvas code and the number on the canvas. So let's see. They're supposed to be 24. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, oh, there's two 11s, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it's actually not as bright as I thought it would be. I thought it would be brighter. These are a little bit less bright than I thought, but I'm still hoping it'll turn out. I don't know how bright I thought it would be, but I mean, the pinks are bright enough, right? And then, where was I at? 17, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So yeah, so 23 and 24 are rhinestones. So it looks like it's gonna be a blue rhinestone, and is this a gray rhinestone? I don't know about the gray rhinestone, but I'll see how it looks in the end. I kind of wanted to get something from Crafties just because, one, I do like that all their diamond paintings are not ginormous. If you've followed my channel, I'm not really a ginormous diamond painter. I diamond paint more 40 by 50s and below, mainly because I want to be able to, one, finish them in a timely manner, and two, put them in my art portfolio. So I'm just looking at the rhinestones because rhinestones do tend to be pretty bad quality most of the time. So they don't look horrible, but they also don't look like super awesome either. I mean, I don't know if you could tell, there's some portions where, I don't know if you could tell, but there are some portions where you could see some of the backing has holes in there, and then that just usually would make it, if the symbol is really dark, you could be able to see the symbol under there. But I'm hoping they gave enough that it shouldn't be a problem. So yeah. Otherwise, these are rounds. I don't think Crafties does squares. So yeah. I am a little bit more critical when I'm looking at my not budget-friendly diamond paintings. Just because when you pay more money, I feel like, at least for me, I feel like when you pay more money, you should expect more. So yeah. I think this will turn out. Oh yeah. Did I say this was supposed to be a 30 by 50? That's what's on their site. And it is a 49.5 by 30. So maybe it really is 50. It's just a little bit wavy, but yeah, I think this will turn out good. So I think, yeah, I kind of want to do this one soon. And plus, this will be really quick, I think, with just 24 colors. I was hoping there would be more. I don't know if you've noticed, but I don't mind diamond paintings with lots of colors. So, okay. So here's my next one. So this is the diamond painting I bought because they sent a $10 off coupon after I bought my first diamond painting that I had to use in 24 hours. So of course, I'm a sucker. They did very well with that kind of marketing to put that in there where you could get $10 off the next diamond painting. Oh, this one actually has 2 pieces of wax. Okay, so, oh, and also be careful when you do buy from Crafties because they put a pen in the order as a default. So there's like an extra $15 pen that gets added to the cart when you add to the cart. So just make sure, unless you want the pen, make sure you remove it from your cart, which I don't like. I'm like, why are you tricking us into buying an extra accessory? So Crafties, you could be better than that. You don't have to trick us into buying extra accessories. I mean, you could put it in the end. We're like, do you want to add this? Not just put it in the cart directly. But yeah. Okay, so here's my second diamond painting. It's this. Do you have everything? It's a deer with this really, really beautiful background. I got this mainly because I love the colors of the background. This one is called North Spirit by Lex Zooz. It called it an elk, so maybe it's an elk. I kind of wish the name of the diamond painting was on the canvas. I mean, they do have their branding here, so they could have added that, you know, the artist name in there or anything. But yeah, this is just like little things I'm like complaining about, mainly because it is a more expensive diamond painting. So there's like things you want extra when they're more expensive, or that's just me. So this one, after the $10 off, this was $32.98. This is supposed to be a 40 by 40, and it is 39.5 by a little bit less than 40. So this one actually has 28 colors, so there's more colors in this one. And I guess since there are 28 colors, they do actually have some symbols. And this one looks like it might have 3 rhinestones. I think that's what those ones with the colors are. Let's look at the drill field. It looks pretty similar print quality as the last one, so I don't think there'll be any problems. Yeah, I think this is also printed in that new way where the symbols are in circles and not, and then the background is not just like a grid. So hopefully that turns out well. Is the other one like that? I didn't notice. Yeah, no, the other one is printed that way too. So I think it just I think that just adds a little bit extra definition. So like in this deer's antler, like you could see the curve of the antler there. And if this had just all been squares, you wouldn't see the curve as well, I think. So yeah, here is this one. So I did say this had 28 colors. Let's see if they're all here. This is much longer. I think this is actually oh, and this one I did have to pay the $3 shipping again. So that's what kind of annoyed me with me buying a second one. I didn't get my combined shipping. So let's see. This one also has that M on there. I don't know what that means. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 is one of the rhinestones. 7. Oh. Well, I'm hoping I didn't need 2 bags of 7, or unless it didn't look like it got, you know, what do you call that? It didn't get, at least they're the same color. That didn't get that squish. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 14 and 15 are the 2 rhinestones. Oh, I like these colors here. The rhinestones are about the same quality as the other one. So 16, 17, 18. Let's see. 19, 20. Oh, I kind of like this color here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, I just noticed that the legend is not in order. See, like 310 and 996 are down here. I don't know why. Everything else looks like they're in DMC order. Because I was like, the black is at the end. So yeah, I'm not sure what's up with that, but That is kind of strange. But oh well, I do put my stuff in alphabetical order, so that doesn't really matter. So yeah, I think that was everything in there. And yeah, I look out for me kitting up one of these soon. I do think I'm gonna work on one of them or both of them. Wait, this one was 28 colors, and then this one was 24 colors. Maybe I could just kit them up in the same, at the same time. Kit them up in like the same kitting up, because I'll put them in the same storage container. But yeah, here is the first, or the second one with the deer. And then here's the first one with the swirly trees. I think I might work on this one first. I do like pictures like this. And I really do like the colors of this. Maybe I'll work on both of them, or I'll just kit them up. I do like to just kit up a bunch of diamond paintings, and if I get to it, I get to it. If not, I'll get to it eventually. But yeah, that's all for today. So thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!